Mathematicians. Miss Doyle and Smokey are here to teach you about a little bit about area and perimeter. Let's get started with our learning goal. We as mathematicians will understand that area and perimeter are attributes of plane figures. Attributes are key pieces that describe something that you're looking at. Today it's going to be plane figures, mostly rectangles today. This is your slide that you'll see in the daily slides. You're going to watch this video that I'm recording now here. Then you're going to, when you're done with this video, log on to Think Central. You're going to complete the assignment that we've assigned you 6.7. What I want to show you is what this looks like. Ow, Smokey is messing with me. This is Think Central, and I wanted to show you a few things, maybe to help you to be more successful. Here's the first problem. Let's do it together. It says select all possible rectangles with a perimeter of 14 centimeters. 14. Perimeter is all the way around, add up all the sides. So I'm going to go like this. Here's A. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 5 is 12, plus 2 is 14. I'm looking for 14. So I'm clicking on that as my choice. I'm going to go to B. 4. Let's go 3 plus 4 is 7. Hey, I just thought of something. I know my doubles. 7 plus 7 is 14 because there's going to be another 3 and another 4. I think that's it. And then we have 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 3 is 10. Nope. Then we have 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 3 is 11, plus 5 is, I did that wrong. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right. 3 plus 5 is 8, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then 5 is 16. So that's not what we're looking for. I'm going to check my answer. Oh, you can't see it in the screen. Down below. Oh, I wish I could. Let me see if I can move. There we go. See right down below here? Check your answer. I'm going to check it. I did it. I got it all right. Now I know I'm on a good roll here. I'm going to go to number 2. You've already seen the answer to this question. I did not. I think because I've been scrolling through this. So select a correct comparison between the shapes of the rectangles with the least and greatest areas. So here's a T-chart. The rectangles with perimeter 16 centimeters. Remember yesterday, we compared 3 different rectangles. They all had the same perimeter, but the area was vastly different. So these rectangles have the same perimeter, but they look different. I personally am a visual learner, so I would actually draw these rectangles out. Now, if you're looking through this, it says lengths of 2 adjacent sides. Adjacent means here's one side, adjacent is the other side. So we're going to get this length and this length. So this is 2 centimeters and 6 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 4 centimeters. I hope on that one you're thinking, hey, I know that's a square, because all sides of a square are the same measurement. If you're stuck and you're thinking, well, I guess I should read this whole thing. Area 12 centimeters square, squared centimeters, 15 square centimeters, 16 square centimeters. And also I wanted to highlight with you, area is always labeled square and then the unit of measurement. Many of you are not labeling your answer. In 4th, 5th, 6th, and on up to high school, those answers, if they're correct in the measurement but not labeled, it will be marked wrong, and I would hate to see that happen. So you're solving for the rectangular with the area is long and skinny. The rectangle with the area is a square. So what if I'm stuck? I'm going to go over here and say, I need some step-by-step help. Step 1 out of 4. So I know there's 4 steps. Choose a rectangle in which the sides are 2 centimeters and 6 centimeters. This is 6, this is 2, this is 5, this is 3. I'm going to check my answer. I got it right. Here's the next step. So if you're stuck, boys and girls, check your answer once you've made a choice. If you're stuck, come on over here to step by step. It's okay. The whole plan here is to help you become more comfortable comparing rectangles, learning how to calculate area and perimeter, and feel really strong about it. This is a place to practice. So please feel free to check your answer and also use step-by-step hints. So you're going through, let's see how many questions. There's only 6 problems to work through. So I know you can do this. You're going to do a really good job. Always reach out to me if you have questions, but know that check your answer before you move on to the next problem, because then you're going to know, hey, I'm doing it right. This is awesome. Or go to step-by-step help. On Think Central, they're there to help you and use those tools that are there to support you while you're learning. Have a great day today, mathematicians.